Sanibonani, Njani board members. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First thing first, please press like and comment and leave your comment. Yes. So today we are speaking about South African celebrities who are sangomas. Yes. I want to South Africa. So number one, we have Kelly Khumalo, who rose into the industry as intombazane engakathintwa eyi-virgin. Wangena ke emculweni ke wacula ke wazogcina ke si-famous Kelly Khumalo lesimaziyo ke onezingane ezintathu njengamanje noJubJub Senzo Miyonga ngasekho kanye nalo mdlali uSiyanda Nyende wedlalela iPirates. So Kelly Khumalo uke wabonakala ke sithi naye hayi engathi usedecide ukuthatha yona le ndlela le yabantu ababonayo asazi ke kwaphelela. Number 2, we have Boytie Thule, who also, we've seen her even naming herself Gogo Mkhosi, and her mother, she is a Sangoma, and not her grandmother. So we saw Boytie, engena kule ndima yomngoma, simbone ihamba emanzini yonke into, uthi nje ngazeli wathi hayi, useyekile msekhathele. Samangala ukuthi hawuranti, la nto ubuyithatha ubuyikhathale nakanti ayiyona nto sokuyiphila. Akutshela we-South Africa uyoba broke nje lapho uyathanda ukuba broke, otherwise nje hayi imali vuka emaqandeni wenze noma yini bambe kwayo. Sitting in number 3 is Dineo Ranaka. Dineo Ranaka is known and to many troubles. Yaxoshwa emsebenzini, uyadivosa, uyashada, uyaphela imishado. Sithe simbona segcwele iphandla yonke indawo esandleni wathi ke hayi usehamba nabadala uhamba nokho. Owamanje asaboni iphandla sazokwenzakala noma usezikhiphile ngoba phela ngokomthetho iphandla ziyazwela. So na umunye ke lo osenje wavela wavuka nje ebusweni njengotshwala wathi hayi useyibonile indlela yena useyisango. Number 5, we have a comedian tall as Smo, a reality star married to Mohammed. He surprised all of us. They moved to a farm and the wife said uthethe umu tall as Mo useyisango. So ugogo Sibambana ngokusho kwakhe uyapractice imbona ngathi uyapractice kodwa naye kube sekuphelele emoyeni singazeke noma usaqhubeka ngoba esenyamalele inkundla zokuxhumana kodwa ke nawo tall as Mo uyisangoma esiphelele. La siphethe uThandeka Don King naye simuzethi impela nje hayi abaphansi bakuyena bamphethe baningi impela. Umhlungu ngalama celebrity sitshelwa uwona siwabone practice siwabone yonke into siwabone noma kuphi nje kodwa nje bayasitshela bathi abantu abadala bakhona so singazi ukuthi bayothwasa noma ngathwasa na. Lerato Mvelase, an actress, well-known actress waduma kwi-Home Affairs, naye ungomunye wathe nje usethathile lo hambo sambona impela ehamba wagqoka impela kwase simbona nangephahla yonke into kuthe ukuhamba kwesikhathi wathi hayi ubuqedwe 6 months useyabuyela ingane zakhe ngoba bezikhumbula. We also have Mlungisi Mathe, this young gorgeous man here, an actor. We've seen him also, he said to Isangoma he accepted Dubizo lakhe. Now and then we see him emanzini yophahla and ehambe empophomeni. Last but not least is Baby Cele. Baby Cele, I can say I ngamkhola and I believe her because she's the only celebrity that I have seen consistently attending and going emgidini up and down. Even namanje as we speak, if you check her Instagram, she's always in the water, she's always with the zingizangoma, she attends, she goes to church. So in all of these ones that I've mentioned for now, Baby Cele is the one, and Mlungisi, but mostly Baby Cele. We see Baby Cele, she documents everything. So Baby Cele is umthandazi / isangoma who said she has a gift, and we have seen her practice, and we have seen her practice endombeni yakhe, and we have seen her ehlanganyela phela nezinye izangoma ngoba mangabe isangoma ngomthandazi kumele uhambe uyofunda impando njalo uhambe indawo bese uyahlanganyela uma umthandazi ohlala ubonakala esontweni, ubonakala emanzini, ubonakala ugezo, uvusa isithunzi, uphakamisa uthandaza ukhuleka. hhayi-ke ubhebe ecele-ke hhayi uyakwenza lokho. Okwamanje soyibamba la, please-ke ucommente ngenzansi, ulive ikhomenti, ulike, ushare, ubale abanye nawo baziyo abayisangoma zase-South Africa abadumile.